So what I have here is a JGA Anschutz single shot 22. Our barrels will be stamped JGA Zella-Mehlis, Germany. I've had 10 of these over the years, and 8 of them have had the extractor broken off. So what I'm done here is draw, poorly, I'm not an artist, and dimension out what one of these is, because they aren't that difficult to make, but they are frequently missing. For those that don't know, this piece rides in the receiver. The bolt comes up and behind, and let's see, it's straightened out. We'll grab it and pull it out like so, extracting the case. If you do not have the extractor and you fire it, you will have all the gases vent out the bottom and into your eye. Speaking from experience, that has happened because I was young and dumb. The most common thing to happen is the back tit on, zoom in, on this piece here will break off or wear down. Then you pull the bolt out, there's no resistance, and then this thing just comes and falls out. There's a little hole in them, by the way, where a little pin, usually you make that out of a finish nail, slides through, just keeps it in place. But this is the piece here. You might notice this cup that supports the casing is welded on, so all you really got to do is file a piece of flat stock, mill that out, and away you go. So I'm just going to walk through the drawing with the dimensions on this. Hopefully it'll make some sense. If I'm using the wrong terms for you machinist types, I apologize. But this is what we have. Let me get this in focus. There we go. I've done it both in imperial and metric. So the overall length, so from fore to aft, is 1.0685 inches or 27.14 millimeters. That's from here to here. The width of the bar stock is 0.17 inch or 4.4 millimeters. Thickness is 0.11 inches or 2.8 millimeters. The height, 0.4 inches or 10 millimeters. And for the cup piece here, try to draw out, widest point is 19.5 millimeters, which is 0.767 inches. Each one of these two heads is 4.5 millimeters or 1.78 inches, and without the stock, so just that piece there, it should be a 0 there, my bad, 0.258 inches for 6.55 millimeters. One dimension I did leave out. So from the top to the bottom is 0.195 inches, which is 4.9. Jesus Christ, can't write today. 4.55 millimeters. So that's the from the top of the back tit to the bottom of the stock. So hopefully that makes some sense and can hopefully get some of these back into the field, because like I said, most of the ones I've encountered over the years this has just been missing. It hasn't even been there. If you hear the humming noise, that's an air conditioner or dehumidifier, sorry. It is Humidex 40 today. So apologize about that background humming noise. But anywho, hopefully that helps somebody. Have a good one.